Hello guys, my name is Jose. I'm a work-at-home dad in California. You guys are always giving me great information and very funny. My question to you is about Sony. Should I wait until the PlayStation comes out or should I keep it? I'm a big fan of the PlayStation and the company, so should I sell it when it gets, to 90, or should I just hold it forever and maybe give it to my son? All right, have a great one and keep up the good work.
Thanks for the question, Jose. Bonawyn, what do you say?
Shout out to California, my home state. So listen, I think this is more of a trading position here. This stock has had a tremendous run here, and you've seen it test this $84, $85 level a couple of times. Now, looking at the balance sheet, free cash flow, debt, I think it's a well-run company, totally manageable. But what I would be doing is I'd be looking to overwrite this position, selling some 85 strike calls and lowering my cost basis. That gives you a little bit more wiggle room to play.
Yeah. Guy?
I think the growth continues to be in names like Electronic Arts and Take-Two. So, if you want to play in the deep end of the pool, maybe pair out some of your Sony, and although Take-Two's at an all-time high, look at names like Electronic Arts, Take-Two. I think that's where the handoff and the baton is. Sony lost their way for a long time. They've gotten it back, but might be time, to Bonawyn's point, to pull the ripcord here.
Yeah. Dan?
Yeah, just, looking at that chart over the last 5 years, it's really a beautiful uptrend. You see a series of higher lows and a series of higher highs. Twice in the last 3 years, there's been 30% peak to trough declines from highs. Like these guys just said, it's had this massive run. You might get another opportunity to buy this a good bit lower. But until something fundamentally changes, until you stop, Jose, liking that PlayStation or some of the content they make or the games, this is probably a name that you keep reloading on. Guy, it's been 40 years since you used to don that, that Walkman that you used to walk around in the street with a little bit or whatever. But, they've come a long way. They're doing a lot of good things. It has definitely been a beneficiary of the work from home with all the games that the kids are playing today.
Would you like to defend yourself, Guy, or shall I move on?
Of course I would. I mean, first of all, I still have my Walkman, and then during this period of time at home, I actually got my big Sony Trinitron XBR, which probably weighed close to 350 pounds.
And your Sony boombox?
And actually, exactly,
yeah.
Both of them. And I got rid of them. I moved to they sell these TVs that are very thin now.
Give me a ring when you guys are going to have that. Give me a ring when you're going to have that garage sale. I definitely like some antiques, in the electronics space here. Okay?
All right.